let's get in our expert. Ruchit Jain joins us. Hi, Ruchit. Good morning. Hope you're having a good Friday morning. Ruchit, Solan and me were wondering, the markets come off the day's high. Should the advice be to go ahead and buy the Nifty? If yes, at what level are you looking at?
Yes, hi, very good morning, Nigel. Well, Nigel, in last few trading sessions, we have seen that from the 1st of December, market index, the Nifty has especially corrected about 350 points. But if you look at the data, this correction primarily seems more because of long unwinding. FIs, which had about 76% long short ratio on 1st of December, has now reduced to around 60%. So that may be because as we go towards the second half of the December, the activity would get reduced. But doesn't seem to be any kind of short formations has happened yet. Secondly, if you look at the US markets, they are holding above their supports. The dollar index is trading at lower levels, which is good for the emerging markets because our markets usually have an inverse correlation with the dollar index as well. So data is not suggesting any kind of negativity as of now. We were in the overbought zone when we had seen that 2,000 point run up from 16,800 to 18,800. So I think this is just a cool off period which we are looking after that overbought zone. So 20 EMS support is around that 18,450. And options data indicates put writing happening around that 18,500. So I believe that 18,500 to 18,450 is a very crucial support zone that should be held on, and we should then again see an up move towards 18,800. So ideally, this dip around 18,500 to 550 range should be bought into. So if one is looking to trade anything in the index, then 18,550 to 500 is a good range to take some contra trades and keep a stop loss below 18,450 and take some short-term view for a pullback move maybe next week.
Okay, so dips at 18,500 to 550 should be bought. Ruchit, in a case like this where we're seeing a lot of pressure coming in from the IT space where banking is fighting for the bulls, what would your individual technical picks be?
Yeah, no, certainly, where we are witnessing outperformance, I think even stock-specific moves, stock-specific picks should be from that space only. So banking being an outperformer, so my first pick is from the banking itself, which is Axis Bank. If you compare the private sector banks, then I think most of the strongest chart is of Axis Bank because the stock has given a breakout from a previous swing high yesterday. The breakout has also been accompanied with very good volume. So I think the Axis Bank is likely to continue its outperformance. Short-term traders can buy with stop below 908 for potential target around 985. And my second pick would be a breakout stock, which is Gujarat Gas. Primarily, recently a good consolidation has been seen in most of the gas names, IGL, MGL, as well as Gujarat Gas. But this was the stock which was trading within a symmetrical triangle pattern. So today we have seen a breakout from that symmetrical triangle pattern. So I think this breakout should lead to a good follow-up move as well, since we have already seen a good time-wise correction recently. So one can go long in Gujarat Gas with stop below 510 for potential target around 555.
Okay, all right. Thanks a lot for that, Ruchit. Wishing you a good session ahead and good weekend as well.